range of personal grooming products under the Persona range that has something for every member of the family.
Let's take a question, shall we?
My question is why Glister is a better choice for the entire family?
Shall we see a short clip about the product?
Glister is the only toothpaste that offers 7 benefits. It contains Silodent, a polishing agent which effectively polishes and whitens your teeth without excessive aberration, while its unique formulation fights cavities and removes plaque.
I think that answers your question. What next, Manjula?
Who does not want their home and the things that they own, things that they have spent hard-earned money on to look great? The Amway home care range of products offer everyone the chance to make their home look great. They are cost-effective from being in a concentrated form and are easily the best that money can buy. Why don't we look at some of the products that form part of the home care range of Amway products?
Let's take the first question on home care.
I would like to know about the reason for switching to SA8.
With added natural softener and Gelzyme power, SA8 Gelzyme pre-treats, cleans and softens garments in one easy step. The dual surfactant system and the low foaming formula requires less rinsing and thus saves water, time and energy. It also has a fluorescent whitening agent that will keep your clothes white and bright. And that's not all. SA8 Gelzyme is really value for money, as 1 liter of Gelzyme gives up to 200 buckets of washes. Let me show you the wonderful effect SA8 has on clothing. I am now going to show you a demo with our SA8 Gelzyme. This is a clothes liquid detergent. I'm going to use an X brand in one of the jars. These are 2 jars filled with equal quantity of plain water. In one jar, I'll put a little bit, 1 teaspoon of X brand. In the other jar, I'll put in equal amount of SA8 Gelzyme. I'll fasten the lid of both the jars. And shake both the jars. What do we see at the bottom here? Can you see at the bottom of this jar of X brand? Can you see the sediments? Is it visible? Now this is the fillers. Our product here has completely dissolved where there is no sediment at the bottom. Also, you would find that there is much more foam in this X brand and lesser foam in our brand. Now this shows that there's less rinsing required, less water required and less time consumed for washing clothes.
I hope that convinces all of you. Let's move on to another question.
Manjula, my family really likes Sawadhi food. It tends to be greasy and altogether difficult to wash off the vessels. What would you recommend?
There's no doubt in my mind that Dish Drops is the product for you. Dish Drops is a concentrated hand washing liquid with triadic detergency system which cuts and dissolves stubborn grease from dishes easily. This demo should make my case. This is Dish Drops. I'm going to take a spoon on which I'm going to put in some mustard oil. This is mustard oil. Now in that mustard oil, I'll put in some dish drops which has been diluted, 1:3 dilution. Whenever you use dish drops, you must dilute it because it cuts the grease even while diluted. If you can see, the dish drop has cut the grease. I'll just put it in this water and you'll find the dish drop has just come up to the surface. The grease is now floating on the surface of the water. So this is how dish drop cuts very tough stains of grease from dishes.
Thank you, Manjula. 2 more questions before we run out of time. Yes.
Manjula, my question is to do with grease. How does one remove stains and grease from household items? Fans, for example, seem to attract dirt and grime like they were magnets.
Well, Amway has the perfect answer for your problem. You should try Zoom. Zoom Spray Cleaner and Degreaser Concentrate is very effective for spot cleaning of household grease and stains. It cuts through tough to remove stains like cooking oil, fingerprints, crayon marks, lipstick marks, food and smoke stains with its powerful formula of solvents and surfactants. Here, look at this demo. I'm now going to show you a demo with our Amway Zoom Spray Concentrate Cleaner. This is a very tough cleaner which removes all kinds of tough stains. Usually in the kitchen, you get a lot of stains with grease, especially on tiles. So I will show you again a mustard oil demo on a tile, kitchen tile. So I'll put some mustard oil. Now, if you can see the tile, it's got mustard oil on it, and this is how the grease usually sticks to tiles in the kitchen. Now let me show you how to spray the Zoom. This is already diluted on this tile. Now if you can see this, this is all, it's cut the grease and it is almost dripping off. So this is how it cleans the tile. All that you need to do is take a cloth and wipe it clean. So the tile becomes absolutely spotlessly clean.
I think we have time for just 1 or 2 more questions. Yes.
I was wondering what product does the Amway product range have that allows for general household cleaning? I mean, Zoom and dish drops are for particular needs, right?
That's a point well taken. In fact, Amway has just the product for you. It's called LOC. LOC can be truly called India's only multi-purpose household cleaner. It can be used for removing stains from washable hard surfaces, mopping floors, cleaning utensils, and even washing clothes. Here, let me show you. LOC is truly a multi-purpose cleaner. It acts on really tough stains. Let's see how it works on a stain such as a shoe polish stain. Can I use some shoe polish on your hand?
Sure.
Okay, so we're going to apply some shoe polish on your hand. On this shoe polish stain, I'm going to put some LOC. How do you feel with the LOC? It's cool.
Yeah, it's a bit cool.
Is there any burning sensation?
No.
No. And then now can you see what is happening to the shoe polish stain?
Yeah.
What's happening to it?
It's just like coming out slowly.
It's coming out. Is it dissolving?
Yeah.
Okay. So a tough stain like shoe polish is getting totally dissolved. Now let me use this handkerchief and I'm going to wipe the shoe polish stain with this handkerchief.
Wow.
Okay. Can you see your hand now? Can you put both your hands together and see which one is cleaner?
I think this is more